Student, here we are learning chapter number 4, linear equation in two variables, and it is part number 5 and it is last part of this chapter. Now we are going to discuss equation of lines parallel to the x-axis and y-axis. Now let some lines parallel to x-axis and y-axis. Now for that, which type of coordinate that we take to denote such type of lines. Let for that take the example first that we want to know here equation of lines parallel to the x-axis and y-axis. Let first we know that as we it is a y-axis vertical and is horizontal is a x-axis, x dash, it is origin, y dash. As you know that here all points this is y axis, this is x axis. Here we know that positive x on the RHS there are positive numbers, here negative numbers, here positive number upside, and downside there is negative number on y-axis. So this type of xy plane or Cartesian plane that we have studied. Now let we know that if we say here, if we put here point P, then its coordinate will be 2, 0. Its coordinate will be 2, 0. Why? Because 2 shows the distance from y-axis. It is x, as you know that it is coordinate of x-axis. It is x and it is a coordinate of x-axis. Then this coordinate shows the distance from y-axis. It shows distance from y-axis on x-axis, as you know that. And here y coordinate, denotes or shows that distance from x-axis on y-axis, but it is 0, means the distance from y-axis is 0. So we denote the point here 2, 0. Let again we take one more point. So if you want to find the algebraic expression or linear equation for this point, then we can get 2x plus 0 y is equal to what we get if you put any point here, then always we get some value here. So this type of line we get whenever we put the value of y, then we always get y coordinate is 0. So let for such line we can find, so that you have studied how to write the coordinates of given points in the Cartesian plane. Do you know where the point 2, 0 and minus 3, 0, 4, 0 and n, 0? As we know that here given the first coordinate, that is x, it is x coordinate, and the distance from here given that y coordinate is 0. For any real number n lie in the Cartesian plane, yes, they all lie on x-axis. As we know that if the y coordinate is 0, then this type of points lies on the x-axis. But do you know why? Because on x-axis the y coordinate of each point is 0. In fact, every point on the x-axis is of the form x, 0. Remember that if for every point lying on the x-axis and its coordinate is x comma 0 for the point lying on x axis, as well as if their given x coordinate is 0 and given y coordinate, then it lies on y axis. Can you now guess that the equation of x axis, it is given by y is equal to 0. What? Y is equal to 0? Not that y is equal to 0 can be expressed as 0 into x plus 1 into y is equal to 0. Such type of line lies, if you put any point on the this line, then we get it is as x axis, and it is a equation of, to find an x axis, it is equation, linear equation. Similarly, observe that the equation of y axis is given by x is equal to 0. Always remember, the equation of x axis, if you want to put any point on x axis, then its equation is y is equal to 0, and if you want to put any point on y axis, then its equation is x is equal to 0. Means in the order pair, if there is given only x coordinate, then it lies always in on y x axis, and if the coordinate of y axis is given and x coordinate is 0, then it is always lying on y axis. So that now consider the equation x minus 2 is equal to 0. If this is treated as the equation in one variable x only, then it has the unique solution x is equal to 2. As you know that the linear equation in one variable has unique solution x is equal to, which is the point on the number line. It is a point on the number line, as you know that. However, when treated as an equation in two variable, it can be expressed as, how it is expressed, x plus 0 into y minus 2 is equal to 0. It is linear equation in two variable that we have converted. This has infinitely many solutions. In fact, they are all of the form 2 comma r. If you put any point for this line, if you put any y coordinate for this line, then the y coordinate always be 0 here, where r is any real number. Also, you can check that every point of the form 2 comma r is solution of this solution. So as an equation in two variables, x minus 2 is equal to 0 is represented by the line AB in the graph in figure. So such type of line we get. For that, such type of this line 2 comma 0, if you put any value of y, if you put any value of y in this equation, then you get the point such as given here, and you can see that from through the all these point there is passing one line, and it is parallel to y axis, and you can see here it is parallel to y axis. Means this type of pair 2 comma r, and if for any value of r, if you put here, then this type of equation is known as a parallel line to y axis. As well as you can find, now let solve some example as given here. Example number 9, solve the equation 2x plus 1 is equal to x minus 3 and represent the solution as on the number line, because this solution also can be presented on number line or also in the Cartesian plane. So let solution 2x plus 1 is equal to x minus 3. To get 2x minus x is equal to 3 minus 3 minus 1, we have just moved x on LHS and 1 on RHS, then we get x is equal to minus 4, and it is a point on x axis, as you know that, and it is a point on x axis, then it is parallel to y axis. So we can denote this point on x axis, because x is equal to minus 4, then we denote on a number line x axis. So the representation of the solution on the number line is shows in the figure, where x is equal to minus 4 is treated as an equation in one variable. So we know that it is in an equation in one variable. So here x is equal to minus 4. So we can denote the minus 4 on the number line as we do. So here we have denoted minus 4, x is equal to minus 4 on the number line. Now we want to represent x is equal to minus 4 for in a Cartesian plane. So we know that x is equal to minus 4 can be written as in the equation of x plus 0 comma y is equal to minus 4. As you know that here not given the y variable, so we just multiply it with 0, then this equation equal to this equation. So x plus 0y is equal to minus 4. Now just we take value of x and y and we find equality in this equation. For that just we find some value of x and y and we draw line in the Cartesian plane, which is a linear equation in the variable x and y. This is represented by a line. Now all the values of y are permissible because 0 into y is always 0, as you know. However, x must satisfy the equation x 0 minus 1, so that we take the value of x such as LHS and RHS will be equal. Hence, two solutions of the given equation are x is equal to minus 4 and y is equal to 0, and x is equal to minus 4, y is equal to 2. Because here if you take any value for y, then it always be 0. But by the way, so we have to take such value for x that this it satisfies this equation. So we take x is equal to minus 4 and y is equal to 0, then we get minus 4 is equal to minus 4. If we take x is equal to minus 4, always we take x is equal to minus 4. Just we change the value of y because y is multiplied with 0. Then it permissible. So so we get such a graph given here. As you can see here, we just take 2 points to draw a line x minus 4 comma 0 and minus 4 comma 2. So we get such a line parallel to y axis. It is a line parallel to y axis. So by this way you can draw such graph parallel to x axis or y axis alternatively. So just similarly you can obtain a line parallel to the x axis corresponding to equation of the type y is equal to 3. Means it is a point on y axis. It is a point on y axis. So you take 0 into x plus 1 into y is equal to 3. Just here the value of y will never change, but the value of x you take, and it is permissible from this equation because if you take any value of x, then you put in this equation, then its value is equal to 0. So always you get equation y is equal to 3. So it is a point on y axis and you find parallel line to x axis. So by this way you can solve some example from exercise number 4.4. Solve example number 1 and 2 given as here. Just easy to draw. It is easy to draw parallel line to x axis or y axis.